Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 4 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll down and find the option called display and brightness. Once you find it, tap on it. And here, first you want to disable the automatic brightness, because if you adjust the brightness and you won't turn off the automatic one, and the brightness will change automatically later on. So if you want the brightness to stay at the specific level, I recommend to turn off the automatic brightness. Then you can tap on brightness right here and adjust the screen brightness by swiping on the slider. And once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen or press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.